fallen over overnight.
In 400 metres, turn left past the yellow building.
Which yellow building?
Never heard that before.
No. Turn left past the yellow building. Okay. What shade of yellow were we looking for? Turn left. You come to an island and you go straight over.
In 300 metres, arrive at Leaning Tower on the right.
Is that a Chinese restaurant?
Leaning Tower.
You are going the wrong way down the street.
Which is it?
Accedere al parcheggio dopo il sollevamento degli aderenti.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, we're going walking past all the tack shops. And we're just about to enter a piazza. Oh! I can see, so spinning you around.
Oppure si prende il treno ora.
Those are seriously impressive buildings.
Yeah. Hicieron a propósito, fue con un falla arquitectónico bien hecho.
There's people at the tower.
It's leaning all right. I've made cakes that are straighter than that. Not that many.
There must be some serious strength in that,
There must be,
because it's past the point of
no return.
of no return.
Yeah. Let's go and have a look.
We're so sorry, we have to do the obligatory photographs, but like they say, when in Pisa, what is there left to do?
Florence. Loads of jewellery shops. Looks like this is the jewellery quarter. They're all dressed up for Christmas. All the statues. Yeah, it's a bit vicious. Oh, she's lost her hand. Entrance €12 Impressive fountain.
Florence is nice. In fact, I'm liking Florence better than I did Rome. Not just because I was pock-picketed or pickpocketed, but it's just a more pleasant
Vibe.
vibe, yeah.
at this one. Oh, really, this really is an ornate cathedral. Look at that dome right at the top as well.
Yeah, I've just taken a photograph of it.
But other than
Did you
that-
say it was UNESCO?
Yeah. I think on the ground it's the biggest cathedral.
There's some scaffolding.
If you look at the inside of it compared to the outside,
Yeah,
it's very plain, isn't it?
it is. We did find the Hard Rock Cafe for some lunch and, of course, the obligatory couple of beers.
Today we're in Verona.
Hotel Verona.
Yep.
Lovely pedestrianised zone.
Yeah, that's really quite pretty. All dressed up for Christmas again. We're heading to Juliet's house
To see her
to
balcony.
see her balcony.
Juliet, let down your locks.
No, that's not the one. It's the Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? That one's nicely decorated for Christmas. It's time on that one, isn't there? Breakfast. Christmas decorations in Piazza d'Or. Piazza della, and we need to go right for the arena and for Juliet's balcony. Lots of balconies there. And that behind as well.
Secondo me c'è metà della pasta.
It's a lovely square. The market as well. We walk through the market. Look at those. Those are pretty special, aren't they? Those masks. Wow. Lovely. And the juicy one there.
Lovely, aren't they?
Yeah. Okay. We haven't come to see this, but this is our first Christmas market.
Ce l'abbiamo anche al pistacchio, Ha visto Sì, ragazzi.
Quella chiave il segreto.
The queue going on here.
There is. These pretzels. These pretzels. Herbs and spices. Lilac and gold. Another Christmas shop.
There's the packaging inside of the door.
Yeah. Juliet's house.
You're right, you know, look at the wall. All the writing and the hearts and people leaving messages.
Yeah. Yeah.
€1,10 costa. Jaki się szasta?
And you've got a rubber boot. Good luck. Look. Juliet. There's very polished boobs.
Shall I go and punch in the morning?
No. Well, it's up to you. You can if you want to. You have to hold her left boob. Good luck.
He's not though.
Not waiting in a queue to
Touch a boob. It's funny when all of this is based on a story that was written by an Englishman. Okay, so now we need to find the arena. Okay, so this is the arena in Verona. From what we can see at the top of the tower, it looks quite intact inside. Unfortunately, the ticket office is closed. It's quite impressive, isn't it?
It is.
I don't know how old this one is, but again, it's quite big and very intact.
It's where the lions ate the Christians and the gladiators.
Closed from the 6th of November to the 6th of December. That's disappointing.
We did stay for pizza and a beer, and the next day drove up to Lake Garda.
We're at Lake Garda today. Don't let the beautiful weather fool you though. This morning we woke up to our first frosts. It might be sunny, but it's quite cold, so we're not paddleboarding, although the water looks so inviting.
It's clear as a whistle.
Yeah,
You can see right down to the bottom.
in fact, for the first time I've got my coat on. Your dad hasn't though. He's been tough. I'm not sure what the heck this is in front.
Got lots of kind of giraffes and
Yeah, there's
zebras.
There's a Superman
Horses.
there,
Yeah.
prancing horses. Oh, look, there's a gingerbread man there as well, and a dinosaur. There's more than one dinosaur. There's a Tyrannosaurus Rex by the looks of things, and a Diplodocus. And I don't know what that one is with the scales down.
We've left Lake Garda down in the valley, and we've come up to a village that is a kilometre above sea level. We are parked in such a beautiful position. The sun is just setting behind a mountain, so we're having a beer and making a most of this idyllic spot to spend the night. Let's turn around and sit down on this mat.
The information board said there was about 70 families. living in the village. And it used to be all agriculture,
Right.
but apparently now only 10 families make their living from agriculture.
Cheers.
Cheers!
That village, the top village is called.
Bueno. 4 o'clock now,
Sun's dropped down
Sun's
behind the
dropped.
mountain.
and it's gone quite cold.
Yeah.
So we're going to get into the van,
Turn the diesel
turn
heater
the
on.
diesel heater on, and start preparing something for dinner.
Yeah.
We've got a roast chicken tonight. We bought it from the supermarket.
It was already roasted. In fact, it was still hot when we bought
It was. Not anymore though.
No.
It was a few hours ago.
And there she is, waiting for us.
And we're into the Tyrol now, and typical alpine landscape.
That's pretty spectacular.
It is pretty spectacular, that one. I'll keep you on because as we go around this corner, you'll be able to see the other side of this gorge, which is quite spectacular. Oh, the cycle path up there, the side of it.
What about this one here?
I've just gone onto a vignette and tried to buy one, and well, see if I can do it online, and it's just said 17 euros. I'm thinking, it ain't 17 euros. We didn't pay that last time. Vignette, yeah, here gets the vignette. I'll go and get the vignette.